Sunday the 26th of March, and we are on the Australian dollar US dollar. So let's have a look at this market from last week in relation to our Sunday analysis video, and then we'll have a look at the Australian dollar for the trading week ahead. Okay, so the market had made a nice strong bullish rally last week. This very strong update on the Wednesday was on the back of the rate decision out of America. What we were looking at was, although we had had this very nice bullish move up, we were coming into key resistance once again. Really, it's actually all the way down into these levels here. And we could look for potential sell positions from these levels. You can see we had nice rejection on the Monday, nice rejection on the Tuesday, and then this market has made that bearish move down. Now, whilst we were up in those levels, we also could look at these levels for support. That's what we went over, and actually at the start of the week, I had a nice buy position from down in these levels. The market then came back up. We've seen that rejection once again, and it has came down very strongly. Okay, let me just get rid of all of this stuff. Now, what are we looking at for the trading week ahead? Well, the Australian dollar has, after this strong move up now, it has made a 50% retrace. You can see 50% level right here, and you can see the market is holding at support at these levels. Now, adding to that 50% retrace, we also have these key levels that we have gone over a number of times. Now, this is a strong level of support. We have tested it here as resistance. We break above, come back down, use the level as support. On the way back down here, you can see the market testing at these levels repeatedly. As it's coming back up, you can see the market rejecting before breaking through. So really, this level here is important for next week. Whilst we're holding at this level, I'm more than happy to look for those bullish positions. It's lining up with a 50% retrace. It's also lining up with a key level of support. The market has made a very strong move up. That pullback into this level, it makes sense for those buy positions. Now, if we start to break below this level, well, first of all, we have to be a little bit careful of the MA200, which acts as a type of dynamic support and resistance. You can see in the market, very often when it reaches the level, you see reactions. Here, even as we're coming back up, you can see the reactions. So if we do start to break down, have to be careful of this level. But really the next level of key support, once again, just mark them all in. 1, 2, and we also want to take into account these lows right here, where the market paused on its strong move down. So if we start to break below, we have to be careful of that MA200. However, the likely next move is down into this key level of support once again. Only if we start to break through the MA200. Now, if we're holding at these levels, once again, we are looking at these key levels of support up above. This is the key levels of resistance. This is the key resistance levels right here. And then we also have more minor level sitting just above, so right here. Now this level here is good if we break up, make pullbacks. This becomes a lot better for potential support, pressing the market back up to retest this level. That's really everything I am watching next week, guys. It is really about this level right here. If it holds, if it starts to break, it's giving us that clue as to what the Australian dollar is doing, because potentially right now we may be seeing a double top right here. Already started to reject. More confirmation for that would be the break of this level. Potentially we will then start to see more bearish price action entering this market. But whilst we're holding above this level, the market is still bullish, and we can look for those moves up. Okay, as always, I hope that was helpful, guys. I hope you all have a great trading week next week. I'm James Orr, and thank you.